Welcome to the Multicultural Technology Park, a flagship initiative of the ACE4ES project. Spanning 15 acres, this dynamic facility is dedicated to advancing sustainable agriculture and reducing short-lived climate pollutant, in short, SLCPS, through data-driven research and innovation. Dr. Kwaku Onwona-Hwesofour Asante, the project lead, gives an account of the progress of the project.
Today we are here to provide some brief updates on site. In fact, since our last engagement, we've been able to conduct a series of stakeholder engagements at the regional level. There's been a couple of training, sensitization meetings. We've also held some policy engagements around agroecology and circular economy. And need that we observe continuously has been on data to support agroecology and circular economy. And the source of the data is this field, this 15-acre field we call the Multicultural Technology Park. So what we see here is still being put to shape. There are a couple of structures and fixtures ongoing. We have the rice duct symbiotic system here. We have the animal crop integration system here. And we also have the various experimental rice methane technology fields also here. These structures are going to serve as a source of data to validate agroecology and circular economy practices on reducing short-lived climate pollutants, particularly methane and black carbon emissions. Yeah, of course, there will be an assessment of nitrous oxide as well, but those ones are additions, which are general greenhouse gases. But the core of this work is to be able to quantify how much methane and black carbon emits from the various agricultural practices and the ways we can mitigate these emissions and have them scaled up in our farmers' practice and farmers' fields. Yeah, so this technology park is to serve the data needs for the project.
While the rice fields are still under development, the park is already making strides in maize research. Through our maize-based trials, we are implementing and evaluating agroecological practices aimed at reducing nitrous oxide and black carbon emissions. Our maize work is generating critical baseline data to validate SLCP reduction technologies. This data will directly inform policies and guide scalable solutions for sustainable food systems. The rice fields are being prepared to host innovating systems, including rice duck and rice fish symbiotic farming. These integrated approaches will reduce methane emissions while improving soil health and productivity, providing further evidence to support climate-smart policies. Dr. Afriyie Debrah talks more on the progress of the rice fields.
Here you see the rice field development ongoing, and preliminary results shows that even though the place was a lowland, the porosity of the soil was also high, thereby, as agreed by the team, to take some amount of topsoil, which happened to be sandy, with the help of this clay deposit to help hold the water on the rice farm. So as you can see, the excavator is currently taking off the topsoil just about between 5 to 10 centimeters to make room for the clay that is deposited to be put on before we flood the area, leveled, then we put some soil amendment before the rice farm can commence. So you have all the 5 plots which will go the same process, and you have the first one, second, third, currently almost done. Then we move to the last, which represent all the 5 experiments that will be taking place under the rice experiment.
The nearly completed office and storage facilities will soon provide a hub for analyzing data, fostering collaboration, and supporting our mission to integrate research into actionable policy and practice. The Biomass Processing Center, also nearing completion, will transform agricultural residues into biochar, compost, and renewable energy. This facility will serve as a model for reducing black carbon emissions and promoting resource efficiency. At the heart of the park is a commitment to empowering the next generation. Researchers, technicians, and young professionals are actively contributing to this effort, building skills and generating evidence that will drive regional and global impact. The Multicultural Technology Park is more than a research space. It is a catalyst for change. By generating reliable data, validating innovative practices, and fostering collaboration, we are shaping policies to build resilient, sustainable agricultural systems. Together, we are building the foundation for climate-smart agriculture. Welcome to the Multicultural Technology Park, a hub for innovation, collaboration, and sustainable solutions.